post, page, and category. Okay, and save, Control S in your keyboard, save, and also the file name is robots.txt. Copy, and we will be rename this as robots.txt. This is the file extension, guys, text. Be sure to see this. Just click this in Windows 10. Just check this file name extension to show up the file extension. And let's back here, and that's all for this section, XML sitemap. And let's go to advanced section. In this section, we'll be configure the breadcrumb and permalinks. Let's go to the permalinks first. In this permalink tab, we'll be set this option, redirect attachment URLs to parent post URL. This option link to the post when you create a post, when you add the image, and when you set the image to the attachment page instead of media file. If you set this option to redirect the images, when you click that image in the post, it will be redirect to the post URL itself. I mentioned attachment page in my course, WordPress tutorial for beginners, and I say attachment page is the best choice than media file. Yes, it's the best choice than media file, but attachment page can cause a bad impact to the eyes of Google because attachment page has a no content, meaning thin content on your website. And this is the good practice to set this to redirect to fix this issue. Save changes. Okay, let's go to breadcrumb tab. In this section in breadcrumb, we will be add a breadcrumb to your WordPress site manually. Let's click this, our knowledge base article, open in a new tab, and choose this enable breadcrumbs. We will see this documentation to add the breadcrumb manually. Copy this first, copy, and most post page will be stored to the single.php file in your WordPress theme directory. So we will be paste this code to the single.php. Depending of the theme, some other theme have another name here and single, and let's see to the theme. Okay, go to your website directory, and we will be go to the theme directory, themes, and I set this to the child theme. And most theme, the posts will be stored in the single.php, but this theme stored in the content/dash single.php. Edit. This file is the blog post. Let's see in the post. Let's click this post here. This page is this file. In this theme, the name is content-single. Other theme name this single.php in the theme directory. Okay, let's paste. We will be paste the breadcrumb above of this title. And this is the blog post title, this code. And we'll be paste here. Let's try to this area, paste, and save changes. And let's back to the breadcrumb settings, enable, and choose this taxonomy to show in breadcrumb for your post type. Choose category and save changes. Save changes both this option and the single file, the post file. And let's full reload this page. Control F5 in your keyboard. And now guys, the breadcrumb is show up in the post page. This page is the content-single.php in this theme. Other theme have a name single.php. Just paste this code above the title of the post. I guess this is fine. Homepage, category, and the post name. Okay, and let's go to the tools. This option, I guess, is for premium plugin, but the free version is very fine. Tools and the search console. In this section, search console Yoast SEO is optional if you already submit your website or blog to the Google Search Console or Webmaster Tool. If you wish to pull out the reports from Google Webmaster Tool and display through here, you can click this to get the authorization code, and the reports from Google Webmaster Tool will be show up here if you like. Actually, I didn't use this section. I want to see the reports of my website directly to the Google Search Console instead here. Okay, let's go to the second stage. Go to Pages and click All Pages. And let's find the privacy policy. Click Edit. The content of this privacy policy page is generated from the online tools. Remember, in my course WordPress tutorial for beginners, we grab this content in the privacypolicyonline.com. So meaning there are lots of copies of this content around the WordPress sites. So we need to set this page to no index, no follow. And there have a Yoast section here, Yoast SEO. This part comes from Yoast SEO Plugin, these add-ons. And there have a three option here, the traffic light, the GER. Let's choose this GER icon, and Meta Robots index, click this and set to no index, and this option set this to no follow, and update. And that's it for this privacy policy page. And let's go to the posts. Let's optimize the one post for this example. And let's find an example post we optimize. This post, edit. The title of this post is Useful Top 10 Free WordPress Plugins Must Have in This Year. Let's close this, close, and scroll down. Scroll down to the Yoast settings. Here, there have a new section here from Yoast SEO Plugin. We will be optimize this post. On this section, we will be optimize the blog title, the meta description, and the blog content. We will be find a focus keyword first or target keyword for this post. We will be find in google.com. Go to google.com